Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll take a look at another learning platform called Microsoft Learn. You may acquire new skills and explore how Microsoft Learn step-by-step coaching may benefit you. Take a peek at their most popular learning paths and modules to get started. A hands-on approach also helps you reach your goals faster, more confident, and at your own pace, whether you're a novice or professional. Let's get started. Click on the link in the description to go to the official website of Microsoft Learn. Please make a note. This is a free digital event. On November 2nd to 4th, 2021, join Microsoft Ignite for a digital experience that includes the latest product demos, Q&A sessions with Microsoft experts, technical deep dives, and more. All skill levels are encouraged to participate. Register now. Once you are in, you'll see this page. By clicking on Customize My Path, you can now set up various learning courses and modules. Depending on your interests by selecting your role, skill level, and topics. Now, click on the Browse the Full Catalog, which will take you to a new page where you may filter by types, skill levels, roles, and products that you want to learn about. On this page, you'll find 3,200 plus results on the learning path and modules, with the following topics: .NET, Azure, Dynamics 365, Flipgrid, GitHub, HoloLens, Industry Solutions, Internet Explorer, Microsoft 365, Authentication Library, Defender for Endpoint, Edge, Endpoint Manager, Graph, Power Platform, Teams, Minecraft, Mixed Reality Toolkit, Office 365, Project Bonsai, Quantum Development Kit, SQL Server, Surface, Visual Studio, and Windows. You'll get 560 plus results if you filter type by learning path. If you filter by module, you'll get around 2700 plus results. To enroll, join in with your Microsoft account, or create a new one. Once you've logged in, choose a topic from the products. You'll see learning path and modules associated with that topic, then select a course. Which will lead you to a page with the course title, description, and learning objectives. You'll find the lessons further down. Continue to compete in all of your lessons by pressing the Start button. Enjoy learning. Once you've completed all of the lessons, you may track your progress and achievement on this page. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be very useful who is looking for online courses. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you require any particular course. I try to get it for you. See you on my next video.